Good day, children! Today, we're going to practice reading consonant, vowel, and consonant words. These are called the CVC words. Are you ready? Let's start! Let's start with ed, ed family. Ed, bed, bed. Ed, fed, fed. Ed, led, led. Children, it's your turn to read. Very good. Bed, fed, led. Ed, red, red. Ed, dead, dead. Ed, wed, wed. Your turn to read. Good job! Red, dead, wed. And family. And ben, ben. And den, den. And hen, hen. Children, it's your turn to read. Very good. Ben, dan, hen. And man, man. And pan, pan. And tan, tan. It's your turn to read. Good job, man, pan, tan. At family. At get, get. At jet, jet. At mat, mat. Read it again. Very good. Get, jet, met. At, net, net. At, pet, pet. At, wet, wet. Your turn to read. Very good. Net, pet, wet. That's the end of our lesson for today. Children, always remember that by watching, reading, and listening, you will always learn something. I hope you enjoyed our lesson for today. Children, now that you've learned from our today's video, don't forget to like, share, and click the subscribe button. See you in the next videos!